So I had to stop the video to show you guys that this is the bridge right here. Is usually we park, I mean out there where these cars are. Here, come over this way. Usually my head is supposed to be down there, not me standing here to this tree. This is the bridge that we usually walk up, over, and then down. This is what the hurricane did. It kicked up all the dirt that's here. We have sheriff deputy coming over that way. We have sheriff deputy that patrols at night because there's no lights at night right here. Thank you. We gotta appreciate our law enforcement because they do so much for us. It's pitch black in certain places here, and then this is not supposed to be able to walk over this. Bailey doesn't know anything. She thinks she loves sand, so she's gonna run around like it's her playground. I just hope she doesn't get hurt, because who knows what they're picking up a lot of stuff.